The monster's here too.
Hey, puppies. Here, help them. James, where's the baby?
He's more interested in the dogs.
What do you think?
She's beautiful.
She needs to eat soon.
She looks like strawberry shortcake.
This thing does not fit her. Down, 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 down,
You don't want to see your sister at all?
down, down.
James!
I think maybe it's just an idea he has to get used to.
Yeah.
Down,
I mean, as far as he's concerned, it's a doll, right?
down. Did you get Rita after James or before James?
So what do they say?
She